Hi everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening, and welcome back to our channel. And today I am in the kitchen. It's been a while since I've been in the kitchen, and I'm using my new mic. So, yes, my director producer, she's at work, so it's just me. But I wanted to show y'all what I got for my birthday. And I was going to say Christmas again, because they had talked about it at Christmas time, but they did not. We got it for my birthday. And here we go. Oh, let's see if I can get this camera to get in here really good. I got, voila, a Ninja for my birthday. We got the deluxe. So, it has the air fryer. It's empty right now because I'm been using it. So,